Actually, I got an offer also after the internship in full stack. I am Sumant Narayan. I am currently pursuing my bachelor's in Vivekananda College of Engineering and Technology, Puttur. I choose Prinston Smart Engineers as an internship. It was very good. I learned many skills: React JS, HTML, CSS, and MERN, and front end, back end was. Now I am thoroughly with that. So I gained many knowledge from Princeton engineers.
So, did the internship meet your expectation?
Yes, actually, I got an offer also after the internship in full stack. Actually, it gained me a lot of skills, and so it helped me in interview technical questions.
Okay. Did you receive enough support when you had doubts?
Yes,
Okay. Why you have chosen this company, Princeton?
because Princeton Smart Engineers were focused on technical and practical skills, so it helped me a lot. So I chose Princeton while applying.
Hello, sir.
Yeah,
My
hi.
name is Anushree, um, and I'm from Vivekananda College of Engineering and Technology. From this internship, I got to know how front end and back end are connected, and how web application, how to build a complete web application, specifically MERN stack.
Okay. Did you receive enough support when you had doubts?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Before joining the internship, how was your technical knowledge before joining the internship?
It was okay, sir.
It was okay.
Yes.
So, after joining that, what improvement you feel?
In college, we haven't taught. I didn't knew about more about the concepts of MERN.
Okay.
From this internship, I got to know.
Good evening, sir.
Great.
My name is Pratham, and I am from Vivekananda College of Engineering and Technology. My overall experience in Prinston Smart Engineers was very well. Abhishek sir explained the concept very well, and explanation was very clear regarding the one stack technologies and React tools and technologies also. And I also worked on projects and real world projects to enhance my skills in the field of web development. So
Okay.
that's
Did you receive enough support when you had doubts?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This is our website, sir. Casual website.
Okay.
So as you can see, this is the main page, hero page of the website. Here you can see the shop collection section, where you can browse the latest clothes in the shop. So as you can see, the streetwear, this shirts, and we have added the categories for enhancing user experience, essentials, and various categories. So when we browse through the main page, we can see the AI stylist option. So we can search the specific clothes regarding our selection. So if I said menswear, we can get the matches from the AI. So I have integrated OpenAI API so that we can include the AI in this website. As you can see, the menswear, streetwear. So these are the categories mainly. Daily wear. These are the categories: daily wear, essential, and launch. So these are the latest products. So this is the footer. Now, as I said, these are the sections. So these are pricing categories like under 2K, under 2 to 4K sections. So if I want to order those like a shirt, so I can add to cart. So in order to add the cart, we should create an account. So I'll log in. I'll show the admin page initially. So this is the admin page panel. So here you can see the already existing products in the website. So as you can see, jeans, shirts, and also we can review the previous orders and track the previous order, and also we can track the previous customers, as you can see. So if I want to add a new product as an admin, I can create a product. So I can add like shirt.